Here I've got Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus, and let me show you how to activate unknown sources on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Now locate and open biometrics and security. Here scroll down and click on Install Unknown Apps. Wait a couple of seconds, and as you can see now, you can give some particular application permission to download some files from them. So for example, it can be for Google Chrome, just allow from the source, then My Files, and do the same thing, smoothly open some particular application and then give it permission by tapping on Allow from the Source tab. And that's basically all. This is how you can smoothly and easily activate installation of apps from unknown sources. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.